Hi, Stephen here again. I was group coordinator for this assignment, and once again, I was managing uploading the video. My biggest takeaway from this assignment was that even when managing the group is easy, and this group is a joy to manage, I'm just really not cut out for it. I'm way too much of an anxious mess. I worried every day that I was forgetting to do something, forgetting to coordinate something. Getting to get things together was a little bit of a challenge, and it's still a process, but the group is really supportive and really well coordinated, so it wasn't that bad. I'll do my best to be a strong support to the coordinator in the future because I now know how hard it is, and throughout the rest of the class and in my future career, that'll be a big takeaway. Again, biggest struggle was not so much the assignment, but the soft skills test of feeling comfortable while working on the assignment. I'm just not really secure in this area yet, so that's definitely something that needs work.
Hi, my name is Arib Ramiz. My job for this assignment was to answer 3 different questions related to parallel programming that were assigned, and I learned more about parallel programming and how it works with different threads and the order in which we receive the output. And I think it's useful because I can apply it in the future for software engineering positions to optimize output and production. And I would say the most challenging task we had once again was getting the group together, but it worked out in the end, as it does.
I am Matthew, and I answered questions for this project as well, and I also met with the other group and discussed, the Raspberry Pi programming. And yeah, so for this project, I learned how groups work, how loops work in OpenMP, and there's like 2 different ways to do it really. And then I also learned, more about working as a group and making sure that everyone's on the same page. Future applications, this would be for for projects in this class, and then for also projects that maybe need to be done at work regarding parallel programming, and also just use of the soft skills for both teamwork in class and teamwork on the job. The hardest task, the most challenging part of the project this week was probably just making sure that everyone was on the same page for meeting.
Hi, my name is Brennan Maddox. My task this week was to prepare and demo the parallel programming code on the Raspberry Pi. I learned more about working in a team and understanding parallel programming. I think what I'm learning in this project will definitely transfer over to other classes and future careers. I really enjoyed continuing to work on the Raspberry Pi.
Hi, my name is Ben. For this project, my task is answering questions assigned by coordinator, which are the type of parallel memory architecture and the difference between shared memory model and thread models. What I have to take away from this project is understanding parallel programming can be done in 2 big scales. Shared memory is done by connecting computer and computer groups into a single shared memory to achieve parallel programming. Each connected computer knows each other's resources and progress. Synchronization is implemented to ensure tasks are split efficiently. This is surprisingly similar to a multi-core, multi-thread CPU to achieve parallel programming. And the challenge that I have for this project is to visualize the concept. Even with the aid of Raspberry Pi, it's still hard to understand how threads and tasks are being split.